Today I will share with you how you can organize your slide decks for conferences. So the first thing you will want to do is go to slide 6, and here you'll see benchmark scores. You'll want to make sure that these benchmarks reflect your grade level. So I would change all of those first before you make a copy. Then you will go to File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. So when I do this, I am going to type in Shanna Conference. I'm going to take my student's name, the conference time, and I have that conference, let me check back, at 2:20. That way I have the student and the time. So I'm going to press OK. This will save to my drive. So then what I want to do up here is I am going to copy this slide deck. I'll go Control C. I'm going to go to the schedule that I've already created, highlight her name, Control K, which will then link that slide deck. So then I have her slide deck, and then I will go back to my conference schedule or conference slide deck, File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation, and I'll do that with my next one. So then I have Rachel, Conference 2:20. Oh, I think I have that wrong. 2:40. Same thing. It will come into my drive. I'm going to highlight that top bar, Control C, go back to my schedule, Control K, Control V. This way, when I have my conferences that night, I can just have this up, and when I click on here, it will take me directly to the slide deck. So as Shanna's conference is over, I want to get to Rachel quickly. There we go. And that way I'm not searching in my drive. Another way to do this is if you are wanting it to be all in your drive, you could go to New and Folder and put your conferences in here. And then what you could do is you could then drag those conferences, the slide decks, into your folder. So you just have your folder open and you would be able to see all your different slide decks here. So there are two options of how you could organize your slide decks to make the copies, and you could either hyperlink it into a schedule you already have. I added parent names on my schedule just because I know then who I am looking for when they enter the waiting room. That way it's all on one sheet. I have my slide decks, the time of the conference, and my parent names. If you have any questions, please reach out to your technology coach.